Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're into simple, helpful content, be sure to subscribe. We make videos that are easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
The question arises frequently. Do you have to pay hospital bills after someone dies? This is a common concern for grieving families. Generally, the deceased person's estate is responsible for their debts. The estate includes all assets the person owned at the time of death. It also includes all liabilities, like outstanding hospital bills. An executor or administrator is appointed to manage the estate. Their job is to identify assets and pay legitimate debts. This happens through a legal process called probate. If the deceased left a will, it usually names an executor. If there's no will, the court appoints an administrator. These individuals must follow specific legal steps. They gather all assets and determine the total value. Then, they identify all creditors, including hospitals. Hospital bills are considered unsecured debts in most cases. Creditors must file claims against the estate within a specific time frame. This time frame varies by state law. The executor reviews these claims. Valid claims are paid from the estate's assets. What if there aren't enough assets in the estate to cover all debts? This is known as an insolvent estate. In such cases, debts are paid in a specific order of priority. Funeral expenses and administrative costs often come first. Secured debts, like mortgages, are usually next. Unsecured medical bills are typically lower on the priority list. If the estate runs out of money, lower priority debts may not be paid. The hospital might receive only a partial payment or nothing at all. Family members are generally not personally responsible for these debts. This is true unless they co-signed for the medical care, or if they are legally responsible under specific state laws. There are some exceptions to personal liability. In community property states, a surviving spouse might be responsible for community debts. This can include medical bills incurred during the marriage. However, this only applies to community assets, not separate assets. Medicaid estate recovery is another important exception. If the deceased received Medicaid benefits, the state might try to recover costs. They will seek repayment from the deceased's estate. This is usually for long-term care services. Sometimes, adult children are concerned about filial responsibility laws. These laws generally require adult children to support indigent parents. However, they rarely apply to medical debts after a parent's death. They are also rarely enforced for this purpose. It is crucial not to assume personal liability. Do not pay hospital bills from your own funds unless you are legally obligated. Hospital billing departments or collection agencies might contact you. They may pressure you to pay. Always clarify who they believe is responsible for the debt. Ask for documentation proving the debt and who is liable. If you are unsure, seek legal advice immediately. An estate attorney can explain your rights and obligations. They can help navigate the probate process. They can also deal with creditors effectively. Understanding these rules can protect you financially during a difficult time. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more helpful information.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.